Show me how you jump.
I didn't go backwards.
Oh. Whoa! My goodness! Watch out for Daddy. All right. Good job.
Look up.
Woohoo! Lexi, arms up. You okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Has everybody got a thumbs up?
Yes, I got it.
What does thumbs up mean?
Great job.
Means great job, I'm okay. What does thumbs down mean? Means help me, I'm not okay. If you do thumbs down, that means help me, right? What does thumbs up mean? I'm good. Don't kick or push. Good job.